Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see the best parental control apps for iPhone. Firstly, Custodio. Custodio is the most powerful parental control app for iPhones and iPads. It's one of the few that can block iOS apps, has cross-device monitoring and excellent web filtering. It has app filtering, web filtering, time limits, scheduling, location tracking and geofencing, calls and SMS monitoring, and finally Unistale protection. The price is from $4.58 per month dollars and $30 money back guarantee. But the call and SMS monitoring setup is tricky and some features feel invasive if you not used it carefully. Secondly, we have Norton Family. Norton Family is excellent for web safety and monitoring searches. It has one of the best browser filters but lack app blocking on iOS. It has web filtering, search and video monitoring, time limits, school time, location and tracking, and geofencing. And the price is $49.99 per year, or bundled with Norton's 360-day money back guarantee. But it has no app blocking on iOS, and kids can bypass controls via certain apps like YouTube links and iMessages. Thirdly, we have Bark. Bark shines in social media monitoring. It scans accounts for risky behavior like bullying, violence, or explicit content and alerts you. It monitors 15 plus apps and covers texts, photos, emails, posts, comments, and more. It has web filtering and scheduling only, also smart alerts. The subscription is no money back guarantee. But it has no time limits for iOS and less control compared to Custodio. And finally, best for overall is Custodio, full control, app blocking, web filters, and more limits. Best for browsing safety, Norton Family, powerful web filters and school time settings. And best for social media, Bark, proactive alerts for risky online behavior. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.